Hello class, this is a video tutorial on using congruency in mathematical proof. So let's go straight into it and let's consider the following geometric figure and problem. So in triangle ABC, we're being told that angle BAD, this one here, and angle BCD, this one here, those two angles are equal. So we're being told. Show that triangle ABC is now isosceles. So this is an example where a proof is required, since, or as prior to this, we accepted and utilized this property of isosceles triangles, as well as many other cases. So we've always seemed to accept that if these two angles are equal, then it must be the case that this is an isosceles triangle. How do we know that? Well, we've so far to this point have just accepted that idea. So this example shown is simple and straightforward, but you'll see that using congruency, we can require more abstract and creative thinking in order to prove a lot of these properties that we've simply accepted and used. So here's how we do it. So you can pause and follow along, but you'll quickly pick up that it's rather straightforward, that it's just a matter of finding some sort of congruent triangles. So here we go. For this, we can start off with using the given information and the more straightforward ones. We can see that, well, angle BAD equals angle BCD, and that is going to be given to us. We can see, so angle, we can see that angle BDA is equal to angle BDC. We can say that's also given because of this 90 degree here. So this is equal to 90 degrees. That's also given information. And lastly, we can see that this angle, this side is shared. Well then, we can say that BD is common, or you can say it is shared. And then from here, we can conclude, therefore, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle BCD. And the reason for that was, well, we have two angles, so angle, angle, and a side. So that's angle, angle, side. Well, since these are congruent, so we can therefore say, therefore, BA is equal to BC. And we can, again, must state that this is corresponding sides, of congruent triangles. I'm going to put triangles like this. So then we can therefore say, therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles. And there is our proof. So you'll find that in the coming sets of examples, we're actually just setting about to prove these properties that we've always seemed to accept. And you'll see that a lot of it has to do with this using some sort of congruency proof. So I hope to see you in the next videos, and best of luck.